My credit score was 478 when I first started using this app. And in a matter of less than a year, my score went up 200 points. Keep watching this video to see how I use Self Credit Builder to fix my credit and what Self can do for you. What's up people, Trell West here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at how I fixed my credit with the help of Self's Credit Builder. If at any point you have any questions that I don't cover in today's video, leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to try to help you out. A credit builder loan is an installment loan that's sole purpose is to help build positive credit history. The main difference between a credit builder loan and a more traditional loan, like a personal loan, is that you don't unlock the money until you've made every loan payment. Once the loan balance reaches zero, you've paid off all your loans, that money is turned into a savings, which is returned straight to you. What's great is that after you sign up for a credit builder account and you have 3 months of payments, you can then use your savings to fund your secured credit card next. All right, you guys, I have my laptop with me. I am on the self.inc website. I'm gonna show you guys how it works so that you can start building credit while also saving money. So step number one is that you're gonna apply for the credit builder loan. What's great is that there's no halt pros on your credit and that your money is safe and secure while you're making these payments. Step number two, you're gonna pay off your credit builder loan each month within the specified amount of time, which is your loan term. So you can choose the payment term and the amount that best fits your budget. I decided to do a higher one because I knew that the savings was gonna be higher if I'm making a monthly payment that is a little bit more than I would be willing to usually do. So you can use a lower amount or a higher amount, whatever suits your needs. Step number three, each on-time monthly payment builds credit history and adds to your savings. Your monthly payments are reported to all 3 credit bureaus. Step number 4, which is my favorite, this is the best time of the year because it is honestly a surprise. At the end of the year, once you've paid off your credit builder account, your CD unlocks and the money is yours. And that is probably the biggest thing that I love about the Self website and the Self app is that it's building a positive credit history while also giving you a loan that you then unlock that is a savings that you then have at the end of the year. So if you're bad at saving, I think this is a great app for you to try. To wrap up, Self has made me so credit aware that has skyrocketed my score. And now it's able to help me start planning for the future, like owning a home or buying a new car. I loved it so much that I couldn't wait to renew once my first year's up. Currently, I'm on my 2nd year and my score is going up every single month and I absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video and checking out Self. I'll be sure to link it down below where you can check it up using my referral code. I'm really excited about it and I hope that you guys take this journey to help build your credit. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.